Exercise 4.5. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exercise 4.5. The first question is given to you that find the adjoint of each of the matrices in the exercises 1 and 2. So second problem let us take into consider, which is given to you as a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us consider this matrix as A and 1, -1, 2, 2, 3, 5, -2, 0, 1. So what we need to do here? Adjoint of matrix A. What is meant by adjoint of matrix A? Any one of you, please. Just know I told. Anyone?
The transpose of
Hmm.
cofactor of
Transpose of
co
the matrix obtained by replacing the every element with its cofactor. Transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the every element with its cofactor. Okay. So now here we need to replace this one with a cofactor. Okay. First cofactor finally. Cofactor is nothing but A11. So what is meant by a cofactor? -1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So I'm because as we have little bit practiced a plus, a minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Like this we are going to get. So directly I'm doing as 1 -1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is plus 1. So this row and column is deleted and determinant of the matrix 0, 1 we are going to get. So we will get it as a 3. A11 is 3. A12 is equals to minus we are going to get. Directly I am writing minus. So second row, third column. First row, second column is deleted. So we are going to get the matrix 2, 5, -2, 1. This is usually everyone have to do. And most of the students, what mistake they will commit, I already told you. This step, instead of writing, oh, they will imagine that this one is deleted, this one is deleted, 2 ones are 2. Like this, directly they will calculate. You can calculate after getting the practice. So minus of 2 minus plus 10. So which is equals to -12 we are going to get. A1. A13 is equals to my plus only determinant A2 3 -2 0, which is equals to 0 minus of minus 6. So we are going to make the 6. A2 1 second row first column. So negative, this is an odd number na? This is an odd number, so minus we are going to -1 you can write it to 1. -1 into this row and this column is divided. So we will get -1 to 0 1. You also observe that sometimes human error हो सकता है. There may be a chance of -1 -0. So we are going to get -1 plus 1 we are going to get. A2 2 this is equals to 2 plus 2 is an even number. Even number. 2 plus 2 is an even number. So even we are going to. So now in this situation, whenever you take it consider plus we are going. And second row, second column is deleted. So 1, 2, -2, 1, 2, -2, 1. So we are going to get it as a 1 minus of minus plus 4, so which is equals to 5. ये 2 2 हो गया. ये 2 3 which is equals to. So minus आ जाएगा इधर minus. So this row and this column is deleted. So we are going to get 1 -1 -2 0. So which is equals to minus of 0 minus these two multiplying means plus 2 we will get. So in that confusion most students will write plus 2. No, 0 minus will be there. These product of these two minus product of these two. So minus plus 2. So we are going to get it as a 0 -2 plus 2. So this after getting this one. Next, A23 is over. A31, 31. So 31 means plus आ जाएगा. Third row, first column. So -1, 2 little bit faster. I am moving here. So -5, -2. which is equals to minus 10. A 3 2 so minus आ जाएगा. Third row second column is 1 2 2 5 which is equals to minus of in the brackets 5 minus 4 which is equals to 1. Next A 3 3 minus plus आ जाएगा plus. Third row third column is deleted. 1 minus 1 2 3. So what do you get here? 3 minus will become plus 2 which is equals to 5. Now here adjoint of matrix A is asking to you to find. Adjoint of matrix A is equals to transpose of matrix by replacing these elements. First you write like that. Then after you write these elements 3. This is replaced with its cofactor. This should be replaced with its cofactor. A12 का cofactor. So small a12 का cofactor, that's why capital A12 is writing here. So that is minus 12. Next plus 6. 1 5 2. 1 5 2. Next minus 10 minus 1 5. Now what do you have to write here? This is equals to transpose. So this 3 minus 12 6 column 1 5 2 second column minus 10 minus 1 5 third. This is the matrix of adjoint. Whether it is right or wrong, how do you check? If you multiply this matrix and this matrix, what you need to get? Actually, next question is asking you the same thing. A into verify A into adjoint of A and adjoint of A into A is equals to what do you get? A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to, can anyone tell? What do we get? Just now we have learned A into adjoint of A into A. So what do we get? Whether the complete board is visible to you? Whatever I wrote here. Yes, it is. Blur हो गया. Sometimes it gets blur. Yes, tell me. What do we get this one? Basic form, basic theorem. Is it visible to you?
No,
A
sir.
into adjoint of A. Now it is clear. See, A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to what do we get? Please try to remember the theorem we have proved. Determinant of A into I. We will get A into I. So if you multiply this set, what is the determinant of this matrix that you have? You will get. You can verify that. If you want, you can verify. First, you need to find out the determinant of A. So what is the determinant of A? How do we get determinant of A? Expand it along the, which is the best thing? Along the second column, because 1 0 is there. In the second column, 1 0 is there. I am expanding along the second column. In the second column, whatever the number is there, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 to minus 1. And again minus 1 into determinant of the matrix इसका cofactor से multiply करना. So minus 1. So directly cofactor से multiply करो that element. Minus 1 you multiply this element, you multiply with its cofactor. Cofactor is what here? A12 का cofactor है minus 12 plus this 3. What is the cofactor of 3? A22 5, which is equals to plus 12 plus 15 plus 12 plus 15, which is equals to 27. Plus 12 plus 15 is equals to 27, isn't it? So 27 is determined. Now when you multiply this matrix with this matrix, what you need to get, determinant of A into I, means 27 into 100 0 1 0 0 0 1 means 27 0 0 0 27 0 0 0 27 we need to get. If you get, then it is the right answer. Let us see here. A into adjoint. It is not asking in the question, just asking you to find out adjoint of A only, but you need to know that how do we verify it. The verification process also you need to know. So that's why I'm saying to you here. So A is, the next question is, third and fourth questions are the same. So what do you have to do here? This matrix. Let us check it. How far we did right? You have to check. 2, 3, 5, minus 2, 0, 1. Adjoint of A is 3, 1, minus 10, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. Just to find the product. Just to find the product of these two elements. That's all. So how do we find out the product of the two elements? This is equals to this row with this column. 1 into 3, 3, 12, 3 plus 12 and again plus 12. What do we get? You got it 27. 27 again. इधर क्या आना है? 0 आना है. Next to 0 आना है. Let us see. If you are getting that, then it is right what you did. Can you do it? Can you check it? Can you check it? Okay, let us see here. I will check 1 into 1, 1, minus 5, plus 4. 0 हो गया. Next, 1 into minus 10, plus 1, plus 10. Oh, something wrong. Somewhere we did mistake. ये भी 0 आना है. 1 into minus 10, plus 1. 5 to the 10. Either it may be wrong, this minus 10, whether it is, you check. A31 minus 5. Yes. See here, with this we will come to know that. Actually, these two we should multiply. These two we have to multiply. In a confusion, I read added. This is 11. So this is 11. So this is 11. Here we are going to get 11. So while doing you also, I already said that it's a human error. Sometimes it happens, but you should also be little bit careful to when doing this type of the problems. Matrices determinants whenever you are doing, little bit careful you need to be. So here we are going to get the minus plus 10. Here 11 we are going to get. Okay. Did you understand here? Next, this first row is completed with all columns. Second row with this 3 2 is 6, minus 12 is 36, 6 5 is 30. We are getting 0, 0. This and with this 2 plus 15 plus 10. 27 आ गया. You got 27 na? 27 only you should get na. Next, this row with this column. 2 into minus 11, 22. Minus 3, 25. So what do you get here? 0. Next again 0. This with this. So what do you get here? Minus 6 plus 0 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2. Plus 22 plus 0 plus 5. So we are getting right answer. We get here 27, here 0, 0, 0, 27, 0, 0, 0, 27. So which is 27 is outside, then you write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is equals to 27 is what you got 27 determinant of A. Determinant of A into I. So A into adjoint of A, determinant of A. Uh, one more you can check. What you can check one more? Determinant of A, adjoint of A into this one. That also we need to get as a same thing. Otherwise, it is wrong. It is not called as a inverse. Okay. So let us move to the next problem. In this second problem, this one, third and fourth is same model like this one. You need to verify it, third and fourth. So I'm moving to the next bit, fifth problem, finding the inverse of the matrix, whatever it is given to you. Inverse find out karna. Inverse, how do you find out the inverse of the given matrix? Same manner. So what is the inverse of this matrix? Now, a matrix ka inverse kya hai? Can anyone tell? What is the inverse of this matrix? इनवर्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है? इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करने का ए इनवर्स फॉर्मूला व्हाट? ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू डिटरमिनेंट सर 1 by determinant of a 1 by det a into adjoint of a. That means this is the adjoint of a. Determinant of a already we found. This is 27. So 1 by 27 into this matrix u. That is inverse. इसको 27 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया है तो इस एलिमेंट्स को इधर 27 नहीं आएगा तो 1000 आइडेंटिटी आएगा आइडेंटिटी आएगा तो वही इनवर्स हो जाएगा so that is only thing we need to do it okay that finding inverse of the matrix we'll do the one problem here now from the exercise number 5 whenever you are taking fifth problem see here finding inverse for the 2 by 2 matrix is dead easy very easy. Okay, I'm going to explain to you that. Then after we'll move to the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix determinant inverse finding already we did now in this problem. Whatever I am raising. Okay. So now here, fifth problem is given to you in this 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 4, 3. This is the matrix. So do remember also same pattern inverse finding. But there is a direct way. What you have to do first to determine you have to find. If there exists, it is given to you. If exists only. When it is exists, inverse exists for a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix is nothing but whose determinant is not equal to 0, then it is called a non-singular matrix. Determinant should not be equal to 0. Why? Because inverse formula में क्या होगा? Determinant denominator में होगा. 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay, so determinant of A is equals to what you get 3 to the 6 minus plus 8, which is equals to, we are going to get it as a 14. So which is not equals to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular matrix. It is non-singular matrix. Therefore, A inverse exists. So adjoint of A find out करना. Adjoint of A is equals to ट्रांसपोज ये इसका कोफैक्टर से रिप्लेस करना है इसको कोफैक्टर बोले तो ये डिलीट करना है और व्हाटएवर वी आर गेटिंग दैट शुड बी रिटन दिस शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड विद इट्स कोफैक्टर बट हियर फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम है माइनस आ जाएगा तो माइनस के साथ वो लिखना है तो ये रो ये कॉलम डिलीट करने के बाद इसको माइनस लिखना है माइनस now is this should be replaced with its cofactor so ये भी second row first column पे minus आ जाएगा तो minus of minus 2 will become plus 2 next this should be replaced with its cofactor so 2 now you have to find the transpose so that we are going to get it 3 minus 4 2 2 this is adjoint now A inverse is nothing but A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Determinant of A is what here? 14. So 1 by 14 into 3, 2, minus 4, 2. This, if you want, you can write directly. If any matrix is given to you as A is equals to A, B, C, D, determinant of A, sorry, A inverse is equals to 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. For only 2 by 2 matrix. This is what here 1 by AD minus BC. AD minus BC क्या है? Determinant है. See, इसका determinant क्या है? AD minus BC. Okay. Now what is this one? Adjoint of this matrix. See, adjoint of this matrix means ये इसका कोफैक्टर इधर लिखना है, इसका कोफैक्टर डी होगा, इसका कोफैक्टर इधर लिखना है, इसका कोफैक्टर माइनस सी होगा, इधर लिखना है, बिकॉज रो को कॉलम को चेंज करना है, like this only, and then remaining two elements we are going to. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 matrix. Even you can use that one also, direct formula, but better you know the procedure, so that's why I have explained you this one. So now let us move to the next problem here. So 7, 8, 9, 10, all the problems are example. In these 4 problems, one problem I will explain to you, the remaining you do it. Okay. 6th problem is similar to this one. Okay. Now let us move to the 7th or any problem you take into account. 7th problem is very easy because one row is given to you with the determinant finding is easy. One first column is given to you 1 0 0. So it is an easy task. Let us take the difficult one, which is 9th one. 9th one is you may feel little bit difficult. So I'm going to take this one. That matrix, better you write it as a always A. Sir, I don't want A. My name starts with a D. I want to consider this matrix as a D. Yes, you are. My name starts with U. I want to consider this matrix as a U. That's up to your choice. That doesn't matter. 2, 1, 3. 4, minus 1, 0. Minus 7, 2, 1. This is a matrix. First thing what you need to do, determinant of A, you have to find out. That A. Whether it is equals to 0 or not. So better you can expand in any way. This column let us take into consideration. ये column ये positive negative positive है, तो positive 3 into determinant of ये find out कर दिया तो आपको exist होगा नहीं होगा पता चल जाएगा. Okay, at that determinant of A you can find out by writing the cofactors in easiest. Cofactors पहले लिख दिया तो थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा आपको. Okay, but we are going to 3 into this row and column is 8 minus 7 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 4. So we are going to get 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 6, which is equals to 15 minus 6 is equals to 9, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Inverse exists. Inverse find out करने के लिए कुछ adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix के लिए cofactors चाहिए. So let us find out every element cofactor. As it is a 3 by 3 matrix, better you write it as a A11 first. A11 cofactor. So A11 is nothing but this row and this column should be deleted. So a determinant of the matrix obtained minus 1, 0, 2, 1. If you want, you can write it directly here. That let us write it as we have got a little bit practice. ये रो ये कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया माइनस 1, सो ये माइनस 1 ये 1 ये 1 2 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम माइनस के साथ आएगा बिकॉज फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम है. So this row this column is deleted 4, so we are going to get 4. ये 1 3 ऑलरेडी ये 1 3 ये हो गया, देखो पॉजिटिव के साथ आएगा ये 8 minus 7. Sorry, what I did and what you are observing. 8 minus 7 मैंने इधर 5 लिख दिया. अरे 8 minus 7 1. You are not at all observing. इधर 3 minus 6, इधर भी सही करिए ना, minus 3, whatever it may, minus 3. So we are going to get the cofactor of the first row third column element is 1. Next, इधर माइनस आएगा. ये कंफ्यूजन अवॉइड करने के लिए पहले भी लिख सकते हैं, ये 2 2, ये 2 3, ये 3 1, ये 3 2, ये 3 3. देखो ये माइनस है, ये प्लस है, इधर माइनस आएगा, इधर प्लस है, इधर माइनस आएगा. नाउ लेट अस डू ये 2 1. 2 1 means second row. ये column is 1. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So इधर plus 5 हो जाएगा. ये 2 2. This row, this column. 2 minus 21. 2 minus of minus 21. 2 plus 21. 2 plus 21 is nothing but 23. So we are going to get this is 23. ये 2 3. This row and this column. So 4 minus of minus 7. 4 plus 7, 11. Plus 11. Means minus already is there, minus 11 will get. ये 3 1. Third row 0 minus of minus 3. 0 plus 3. So plus 3 we are getting. ये 3. Third row second one. This and this is deleted. So 0 minus 12. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. इधर already minus है, वो plus हो जाएगा. ये 3 3. Minus 2 minus 4. So minus 6 इधर already is there. Minus 2 minus इसका है minus 6. So minus 6. So now what is adjoint of this matrix? Adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of the matrix obtained by replacing the transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the every element with its quotient. A elements को as it is लिखना है. minus 1, minus 4, 1, 5, 23, minus 11, 3, 12. See ये सही है नहीं है चेक करने के लिए आप one more thing you can do. Can anyone check? See ये राइट आया नहीं आया चेक करना है. ये वैल्यू sometimes it may we may commit a mistake. Now see here, this with this if you multiply we are getting minus 3. This with this you multiply we should get minus 3 only. That is also called determinant of matrix only ना. See here ये से multiply करो minus 4 है, ये इससे multiply करो minus 23 है, ये इससे multiply plus 24 है. What do we get? Minus 27 plus 24 minus 3. Yes, it is right. Means these values are right. Like this also you can confirm. Okay, first row ये values right or wrong are, how do you verify it? With this. Now this one you take into consideration. This with this multiply कर लिया तो you should get minus 3. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 5 into 4 plus 20. 3 into minus 7 minus 21. What do you get? Minus 3. You see that, see application. Now if you multiply these with this 3, this first, third, what do we get? Can anyone say? Zero beta. Any row or any column, the cofactors of other than that column, if you multiply, you will get 0. You will get 0. That theorem only we have learned in the previous. Okay, is it clear to you this point? So now here adjoint of A is nothing but transpose. Minus 1, minus 4, 1, 5, 3, minus 7, 3, 12, minus 6. Now it is asking you to find out A inverse. A inverse is equals to 1 by that A into adjoint of A. So 1 by determinant of A is minus 3. So minus 3 लिखना है and this matrix ये वाला minus 1, 5, 3, minus 4, 23, 12. 1 minus 7 minus 6. Whether it is right or wrong again check करना है तो ये matrix, only this matrix if you multiply minus 3 0 0 0 0 0 minus 3 0 0 0 minus 3 we need to get. identity matrix into determinant of A. I think you understood this one very clearly. If you have any confusion, please ask me in this recording. No confusion, I think so. Next, let us move to the 11th question. See here, 9th. 11th, you may feel a little bit it is different and difficult, but it is not at all. But also I will explain to you. This is a way to find out the inverse of the matrix using the adjoint. Okay, so 11th form. So we will consider it as a 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 here, cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha, either be sin alpha, either minus cos alpha, yes, minus cos. This one, what is the determinant of this matrix? Along the first row or first column you multiply, these two should be multiplied, minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, 1 into this one. So we are going to get minus of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, which is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 is not equals to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix and A inverse exists. A inverse exists. तो A inverse find out करने के लिए we need A11. Directly I am ready. Okay. If you want here confusion avoid करने के लिए माइनस होगा, ये प्लस होगा, ये माइनस होगा, सॉरी 2 1, ये 2 2 प्लस होगा, ये 2 3 विथ माइनस, ये 3 1 विथ प्लस, ये 3 2 विथ माइनस, ये 3 3 प्लस. अवॉइड कंफ्यूजन. समटाइम्स वी विल व्हेनेवर वी राइट, ये फिलअप करने के लिए ये डिलीट करना है, इसका फाइनल ऑलरेडी वी हैव फाउंड दैट वन माइनस 1. ये फिलअप करना है, ये डिलीट करना है. सो दिस इज these two should be multiplied, this and this, this and this, so that is 0 we are going to get. So minus 0 is meaningless, so 0 right. If I want 3, this and this should be deleted, ये दोनों तो वो भी 0 हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, ये 2 1 सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो इधर 0 इधर 0, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 0 इज मीनिंगलेस, सो 0 रहेगा. ये 2 this and this, so these two if you multiply minus cos alpha, ये 0, so we are going to get here minus cos alpha. Okay, ये 2 3 बोले तो second row third column, so when you delete this side it is 1 into sin alpha, 0 into 0, so sin alpha will get here minus sin alpha. Minus is already there, that's why minus पहले हम लोग रख दिया तो थोड़ा इजी हो सकता है. ये 3 1 थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम है, तो 0 0, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. ये 3 2 थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम है, थर्ड सेकंड कॉलम sin alpha, so we are going to get here sin alpha. ये 3 3, this and this we will get cos alpha. So now let us write adjoint of A. So whenever you write adjoint of A, ये small a right, first A, so that confusion will be. And after writing immediately transpose लिखो. ये as it is numbers लिखना है, minus 1 0 0, इधर minus 1 है, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha plus cos alpha. इसको transpose. That means we need to write this row as a column. This row as a column. 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha. This row as a column. 0 minus sin alpha plus cos alpha. Now, therefore, A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 into minus 1, 0, 0, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha plus cos alpha. So minus 1 है ना, so you multiply inside. So we will get it as a 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. What do you get here? Inverse also. Same matrix we are getting. This matrix is inverse to itself. That matrix is inverse to itself. वो उनको inverse है खुद का. Okay. So 12th, 13th, 14th problems are not very difficult, but if you feel difficult, let us discuss in the next class. 12th to remaining problems in this. Okay. समझ में आया ना?